Good morning, students. We hope you are staying home and staying safe. Till the schools are not allowed to be open, we will study through videos. Today, we will study Maths of Class 6, Chapter 1, Knowing Our Numbers, Exercise 1C. Now, let's start our exercise. Now, question number 1. How many centimeters are there in 1 kilometer? Now, we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 into 100 centimeter, which is equal to how many zeros? 1 2 3 4 5 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. It means there is 1 lakh centimeter in 1 kilometer. Now move to another question. Question number 2. How many milliliters are there in 8 kilometers? So, as we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 into 100 into 10. How many zeros? 1 2 3 4 6 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros. How will we do that? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. It means there is 10 lakh mm in 1 kilometer. So we have to tell the how many mm 8 kilometer. It will become 8 into 10 lakh. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 3 4 5 6. Okay. It will become 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6. It means ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. It means 80 lakh mm. Answer. Move to the next question. Question number 3. How many meters are there in 92 kilometer? Same concept. We know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 92 kilometer is equal to 92 into 1000 meter. So it will become 92,000 meter. This is the answer. Now next question. Question number 4. How many milligrams are there in 6 kg? So we know that 1 kg is having 1000 gram and 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. So 1 kg is equal to 1000 into 1000. It will become 1 and how many zeros? 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros. So we have to tell how many milligrams are there in 6 kg. So it will become 6 kg is equal to 6 into 1. 1 2 3 4 6 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros. So it will become 6 and 6 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. It means 60 lakh milligram in 6 kg. Answer. Now question number 5. You can do it as a homework. Now move to the next question. Question number 6. There is stock of 3 crore 59 lakh 67,840 bags of wheat and 2 crore 85 lakh 35,960 bags of rice and 1 crore 83 lakh 68,540 bags of bajra in a government godown. How many total numbers of bags are there in a godown? So simply we have to add these numbers and we will get our answer. So let's solve question number 6. Number of bags of wheat is equal to 3 crore 59 lakh 67,840. Same number of bags of rice is equal to 2 crore 85 lakh 35,960 and same of bajra is equal to 1 lakh 83,000 1 crore 83 lakh 1 crore 83 lakh 68,540. Now we will add this number. Now here we get total number of bags. On adding we will get 0 0 4 3 2 7 8 2 and 8 8 crore 28 lakh 72,340 bags. This is our answer. Now question number 7. Manoj has 53 lakh 85,980. He purchases a house of rupees 38 lakh 76,560 and a car of 5 lakh 39,849. How much money does he has now? Question number 7. The price of house is equal to rupees 38 lakh 76,560. Price of car is rupees 5 lakh 39,849. So on adding we will get 9 0 4 6 1 4 4 44 lakh 16,409. Now this is the total money spent by Manoj. Now remaining money we will minus 53 lakh 85,980, 44 lakh 16,409. On subtracting 44,16,409, we will get carry 1 7 5 9 6 9 9 lakh 69,571. It is our answer. Now next question, question number 8. The annual salary of Mr. Sharma was 38,96,518 in year 2014. It increased by 3,84,950 in the year 2015. What was the salary of Mr. Sharma in year 2015? Now, question number 8. Annual salary of Mr. Sharma is equal to 38 lakh 96,580. Mr. Sharma's salary increase in 2015 is equal to rupees 3,84,950. Now annual salary of Mr. Sharma in 2018 will become, we will add both the digits, 38,96,580 plus 3,84,950. On adding, we will get 0 8 5 13 3 carry 1 become 5 1 8 2 4 42,81,530. Answer. Now question number 9. The cost of one refrigerator is 16,995. Find the cost of 326 such refrigerators. Now cost of one refrigerator is equal to rupees 16,995 cost of 326 refrigerator is equal to 326 into 16,995. Now on multiplying both these numbers, we will get our answer. On multiplying, we will get rupees 55 lakh 40,370. This is the answer. Now question number 10. The cost of one sofa set is 29,980. Find the cost of 135 such sofa set. We will simply multiply. Sorry, this is question number 10. We have to do question number 9. The cost. Okay, now the cost of one sofa set is 29,980. Find the cost of 135 such sofa set. So simply we will multiply 135 into 29,980. We will get the answer. Now move to next question. Question number 11. To stitch a shirt 2 meter 25 centimeter cloth is required. How many meter cloth is required to stitch 154 shirts? Now, question number 11. Required cloth for stitch one shirt is 2 meter 25 centimeter, or we can say 2.25 meter. Now, required cloth for stitch 154 shirts is equal to 154 into 2.25. Simply multiplication, we can solve it. After solving this, we will get 346.5 meter, or we can say 346 meter and 5 centimeter. This is the answer. Now, question number 12. Fruits are packed in boxes, each weighing 25 kg 500 gram. How many such boxes can be loaded in truck which cannot carry beyond 6018 kg? Now, question number 12. Weight of one box is equal to 25 kg 500 gram, or we can say 25 into 100 into 1000 plus 500. We can write this number into expanded form like this. Now, it will become 25 into 1000, 25,000 plus 500 gram, which is equal to 25,500 gram. So, you have converted 25 kg 500 gram into gram. Now, weight can be loaded in truck is equal to 6018 kg. This is 0. We will also convert this number into gram. 6018 into 1000. It will become 6018,100 gram. Now, so number of boxes can be loaded in truck. We will divide the numbers 6018,000 by 25,500. From 0 to 0 cancel. Now, on dividing this number, we will get 236. So, hence 236 boxes can be loaded in truck. Now question number 13. A machine can produce 4,826 screws in one day. How many screws did it produce in a year 2016 if 65 holidays were there in year 2016? Now, number of screws produced in one day. Is equal to 4,826. Number of working days in a year 2016. Now 2016 is a which year? It is a leap year. So number of working day in 2016 leap year. So we minus 366, because in leap year we are having 366 days and 65 holidays. We will get, on minusing 65 from 366, we will get 301. So number of screws produced in 2016 is equal to 4826 into 301. When we multiply these numbers, we will get 14,52,626. This is our answer. Now only two questions are left, 14 and 15. This is simple question. You can do it as a homework.